Welcome to Mastering Emotional Intelligence. I am so glad you are here. Today, you are starting something that shape not only how you understand yourself, but also how you relate to the world around you. Okay. Emotions are powerful. They guide decisions, fuel relationships, and even impact your physical health. Okay. And the good news is that you can learn how to work with them. Okay. Instead of fighting against them. Right. So let us dive in. You have probably heard about IQ, your ability to think and solve problems. But EQ, that is emotional intelligence, helps you deal with life. Okay? Studies show that people with high EQ make better decisions, handle stress more effectively, build stronger relationships, perform better at school and work. Okay? And most importantly, they are happier. So let us understand what makes up emotional intelligence. Okay? Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize and understand your own emotions, recognize emotions in others, use that understanding to make thoughtful decisions. It is not about controlling your emotions, it is about guiding them. Okay. Now, let us explore the five core pillars of emotional intelligence. These are the muscles you will train throughout this course. Okay. Pillar 1, self awareness. Self awareness means tuning into your emotional signals before they become reactions. Okay. It is noticing when you are angry, excited, disappointed, or overwhelmed and asking why. It helps you understand your triggers. Okay. So you can respond, not just react. Okay. Once you are aware of what you feel, the next step is learning how to manage it. Okay. Self regulation is your emotional brake pedal. Okay. It is not about suppressing your feelings, it is about finding healthier ways to express them. Okay. Techniques include deep breathing, positive self talk, taking timeouts, journaling your thoughts. Okay. Let us talk about the fuel that drives all achievement, that is motivation. Motivation is about staying committed, especially when challenges hit. Okay. High EQ individuals are driven by purpose, not just rewards. Okay. They bounce back from failure, stay focused, and seek personal growth. Okay. But what happens when someone else is hurting and you don't know what to say? That's where empathy comes in. Pillar 4, empathy. Empathy is the ability to feel with someone, not for them. You notice their body language, tone, and silence. You listen with your eyes, ears, and heart. Empathy builds trust. Okay, it is what makes people feel safe with you. And when empathy meets communication, you build powerful social skills. Okay, that is pillar 5, social skills. Social skills help you connect, collaborate, and resolve disagreements. Okay, it's about active listening, communicating clearly, offering feedback kindly, managing group dynamics. Okay, strong EQ is not about feeling, it is about interacting. Okay, emotional intelligence is not one thing, it is a system. Each pillar supports the other. Okay, awareness leads to regulation, motivation fuels growth, empathy deepens connection, social skills amplify your impact. Okay, now I would like you to pause for a moment and reflect on your emotional strengths and blind spots. Okay, self awareness does not come from criticizing yourself. It begins when you simply pause and notice what is happening inside you. Okay. Instead of judging your thoughts or emotions as good or bad, you observe them with curiosity. Okay. You might think, I'm feeling anxious right now. Interesting. I wonder why. That space between reaction and reflection, that's where growth begins. Okay. You have just laid the foundation for emotional intelligence, a skill that transforms how you live, how you lead, and how you love. Okay. Remember, this is just the beginning. Emotional intelligence is not learned in a day. Okay. It is practiced every day, right? Start noticing your emotions, label them, and reflect on them. Okay. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.